Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of April 2nd, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. On Tuesday, April 13th, we will have a virtual open house for students new to PBMA. 5:30 for the elementary school and 6:30 for the secondary school. If you have any friends or relatives that are interested in learning more about PBMA, please have them email me for the Google Meets link at scooper@pbmalantana.org. This is also a great opportunity for our 5th grade parents to check out our middle school. Friday, April 16th is a teacher work day. No school for students. Monday, May 31st, we are closed for Memorial Day. The last day of school will be Friday, June 18th. Here is the middle school testing information for both virtual and in-person students. This is the elementary testing information. Here's an important message from Ms. Roop.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith here. I just had an important announcement about the upcoming FSA testing. So next week, our distance learners in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade will be taking their FSA assessment. I would like to remind everybody this was not a school level decision. This came from the Department of Education that all students have to take this assessment in person. There is no online option. Phone calls have been made to distance learners, and also emails have been sent by classroom teachers. We need everybody to come in and participate and take this assessment. On April 6th and 7th, our 3rd graders in distance learning are coming in to take their reading. It is a 2-day assessment. So please make sure your child arrives at 8 o'clock, and the testing should be done by about 10:30. On April 8th, our 4th and 5th grade students will be coming in for their writing assessment. Again, please arrive promptly at 8 o'clock so we can start testing on time. And this assessment is a 120-minute assessment. If you do have any questions or concerns, please call the school or contact your child's teacher. Thank you.
Ms. Borsina's 1st graders are raising caterpillars and snails. They started with one snail who laid eggs, which hatched. Then they found another adult snail who laid even more eggs. They're growing bigger every single day. Their caterpillars ate a ton and got bigger and bigger. Then they crawled to the top of the container and wrapped themselves in chrysalis. The class can't wait until they turn into butterflies. This month is Women's History Month. We had a bulletin board contest at the elementary school. Our winner was Miss Kiernan. Both of our campuses pay tribute to all the amazing contributions made by women. Let's take a look. The elementary campus had an FSA pep rally featuring the Pie in the Face fundraiser. Here are some pictures.
Tastes good.
Say hello to the camera.
Hi.
Oh my God. The elementary teacher of the month is Miss Ryerson. Ms. Ryerson really stepped up this past month to assist her first grade team with their virtual learners. She's an amazing teacher and team leader. She's a great support to all of us at PBMA. Thank you, Ms. Ryerson. We are all very grateful. Our secondary teacher of the month is Chloe Prayon. Ms. Prayon has an extensive background in biology, and her love for science is evident when teaching her students. Ms. Prayon is looking forward to exploring the opportunities that are both marine and environmentally oriented now and in the future. We are happy to have her on board. These students won the elementary second trimester awards. Let's see what's happening in elementary art.
Hey PBMA, it's Miss Fisher here with an art update. We've been just finishing up all of our Picasso, so all your students have learned about Pablo Picasso and they did their own take on Picasso, so I wanted to share some of the artwork that we have been making. We've also learned about the artist named Mondrian, so maybe you can ask your students about that. Right now we're working on Talavera Mexican pottery, and we've been drawing some cool pottery with cactus in it, so hopefully they can explain to you what that is and show you a little example of what that looks like. So hope you guys have a great day and keep making that art.
And finally, here are the elementary sharks of the month and the secondary sharks of the week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.